All right, guys, today we're going to talk about top 3 altcoins by price. Okay, these are all in the cents. So we're going to talk about XRP first at 66 cents. Okay, so that is a good price, 66 cents, right? Compared to Ethereum at 1,092 and the Bitcoin at $36,000, right? So one Bitcoin would be $36,000 and one XRP is at 66 cents. Some of these things do not make sense, right? And if we go further, if we talk about Cardano, which the symbol is ADA, that would be 37 cents. So 37 cents, very interesting also. Also, the technology is very interesting. We have to talk about that as well. But the third one, so these are the top 3. The third one would be Dogecoin. And Dogecoin right now is at 8 cents. So this is very interesting because the XRP, the Cardano, and the Dogecoin are on the top 10 altcoin list by market cap. So these are all in the top 10. So what does that mean? That means that they're extremely traded altcoins. But the prices are so different. If we go from Dogecoin, 8 cents, to Bitcoin being the highest, $36,000, it's very interesting. You can trade with pennies or you could trade with thousands of dollars per altcoin. So this is a strategy for investors depending on what you think will go 2x, 3x, 5x, and you hear all these reports of things going 10x or 10 million x, all this. This is all speculation. You guys have to do your own research and think about what can really go up and what really cannot go up. There have been extraordinary circumstances, of course, that things have gone into the thousands of percent, but everyone should be careful, of course, with your monies, and diversification. I always talk about this. Diversification is the key. You cannot just have one thing. You have altcoins, stocks, land, homes, other businesses, other cash flow companies. For example, a car wash. I always use that example, it's a great one. Coffee shop, whatever business that brings you cash flow on a daily basis, right? Because one thing in this economy and in any economy around the world, things go up and down. They're cyclical. So we know this already. That's why I trade, what I trade, whether it be altcoins or stocks or whatever. But we know, even if we go into that as a bonus, the Tesla stock, right? That seemed pretty good, in my opinion, because it's been going up and there will be a stock split, of course. So the stock split is usually 2 for 1. So if it's at $220 right now, it's around $220. And it could go, 2 for 1. So you'll have more shares, not more money, but more shares. So this will be interesting for the future as well. And stocks that pay dividends as well. But, if you mix that with land purchases and other businesses, I think this is the best move, in my opinion. But this is what I do. I do not recommend anything for anyone because I just give this information as news. But I think this is very interesting with those top 3 altcoins by price. So we have to look at that. If you're looking to make multiple factors in your investments, there's a different diversification strategy as well, depending on what you think will grow over the next 5 to 10 years. All right, guys, thanks so much. Let me know what you think.